Good day everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. We love hot stuff. Today I've got something different here, something that I don't even know what it is. My friend brought me this. Now this is here for a couple of weeks now. He told me it is Carolina Reaper jam or jelly. He actually got it from a guy at Millerton Market, a flea market by Millerton, and apparently this guy stays in Goodwood. I tried to contact him, I couldn't get hold of him, but actually forgot to try and contact him again. But I'm so curious as to what this is. So today I'm gonna try this. They say it's a jam or jelly, a Carolina Reaper jam or Carolina Reaper jelly, but I don't see how it can be because it's such a tiny little hole on top. But if you look at the texture, how thick it is, it might be a jelly. I will see if I can get it out. And I can try this. I will try this and I'll tell you people